So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Reliance Communication share, followed by we'll also do our analysis on R Power and Reliance Infra. So previously, when we discussed about Reliance Communication, so we discussed what are the major updates which are running around the company, especially related to debt reduction and followed by rising of funds. So after that, the stocks have also performed very well. But last we can say 2 days in the stocks like Reliance Infra and Reliance Power, so little profit booking is seen, and today in Reliance Communications we have seen the lower circuit. So many people are having doubts related to technicals of this particular stock, so we'll try to find out what would be the next support region that we need to focus. So we know whenever huge speculation happens, so fluctuations would be present. So we know earlier also in the same way Reliance Communication has come down, but again it has retraced and hit the upper circuit. So we can't judge anything. So without having any panic mind, I will tell what is the strategy that you need to follow in these type of companies. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group so that you'll not miss any instant updates. Okay, so moving further towards the various updates which are running around, Reliance Infra as well. So we know the major rally for this type of stocks was basically due to debt reduction as well as rising of funds. So that clearly, as I told you. So in the same way, a report was also released that the company was in talks with Cube Highways to sell almost 4 operational road assets for a potential worth of 1400 crores. So till the time of filing, the story had no clarification. So again, here clarification is not present. So when these type of updates release, so operators take the opportunity, because we as a retailers, many people, whenever any stock is going in uptrend, so they try to catch that particular stock by investing in any amount. We can't judge that depending upon their risk appetite. So again, when rumors or any false updates come, so there they try to catch the opportunity and little profit booking would be seen. But what happens again? So when you exit, again they start increasing the price of the stock. So that is what happens basically. So ultimately, people who do a panic selling and panic buying, so there they will get the loss. So as I told earlier also, so when you're investing in these type of stocks, follow a set pattern of putting a little quantity and just leaving it, even if it goes up or even it comes down. So you should not worry about that. Okay, so if you're having that sort of mind, so definitely even if the stock goes ahead in long term, so you'll be having good quantity, and even if it comes down, so you'll not be worried about that amount, because you know it is according to your risk appetite you have invested. Okay, so these are the basic things that you need to follow. So now let's go to technical charts, because technicals are very important. So one by one we'll discuss each and every stock, what would be the next support regions that we need to focus. Okay, so first we'll discuss about Reliance Infra share. So you can see currently it has closed near the 87.70 rupees level with almost 5% lower circuit. Okay, so when you see the chart, you can identify a set pattern actually it follows. So whenever it follows a uptrend, it corrects in between, again it continues a decent uptrend, and again it tries to correct to a maximum extent before showing any sort of reversal. So we know any upper circuit stock is obviously little risky, but where we are entering and where we are exiting is very, very important. So that's why I keep telling, whenever any stock is approaching any pivot resistance, I maximum clarify in Telegram or I make a separate video. So same in Brightcom group also, I have explained the same strategy. Now you can see the stock is almost around 19 rupees. So you can estimate how much profit you would be getting. So you need to follow the pivot points very well. So now since it has come little bit down below the 87 rupees region, so next pivot is near 76. So that is going to be very important. So after that we have our favorite 50-day exponential moving average, that is around 66.86, which we can take as the ultimate support. So this is for Reliance Infra. And if you see the money flow index, so that is also important. So that is still in 89, still in overbought region. So it also needs to settle down a little bit. So then only we can justify that it will show the reversal. Okay, so next moving further towards R Power. So this particular stock, we know yesterday only it has shown the correction, But today again you can see it has come down to 15.80 and it is down by 4.82%. So this stock already is in NSE BE category. So as I told earlier, so BE category itself is little negative thing for any company, so where we can't actually expect much movement, but a little bit of consolidation would be present. But this particular stock, because of its parent companies like Reliance Infra or it may be Reliance Communications or whatever the company, so they are performing, so ultimately this particular stock is giving the movement. So apart from that, nothing special related to it. So updates are present, so related to debt reduction, so all these updates are present, but related to movement, I'm trying to tell that it is dependent on other stocks of this particular category. Okay, so in this particular stock we can see next levels which are coming out to be near 12.50. so this is going to be a very important level. I'm marking it 12.50. so you can focus that. After that, as usual, ultimate you can take 10 rupees. So these are the near term levels that you need to focus. And if you see the money flow index, so that is near 69. So it has come down a little bit from overbought region. So that is well and good. So if it settles, if it comes near 12.5, you can watch those levels. So again, I'm telling it is little volatile. We can't, okay, actually technicals won't work, but on, okay, previous back testing, I'm trying to provide that, because operators, it depends upon operators. So depending upon their wish, they will pump and dump. So we can't do anything. So just we are, okay, just here we have to watch the movement. Okay. Okay. So next, let us go to Reliance Communications. Okay, so moving further towards Reliance Communications, so this particular stock was having continuous upper circuit. So, not continuous, in between it has opened, but again, it used to close in that upper circuit region itself, and it has given already a huge uptrend. So not, okay, not even, we can say almost from lows, it has even gone to, okay, 5 rupees level roughly. Okay, so from today that 5 rupees region only, we have seen the reversal. So here we can see next immediate support would be 4 rupees level. So after that 3.53. So these are the next support regions that we need to focus. But also we need to see today 5 rupees also is going to be one very, very important resistance as well. So still time is pending. So currently the time is only 12:30. So at any point of time anything may happen, but you need to focus the levels. As I told, 5 rupees is going to be very important. So if you see money flow, it has come down to 71. Okay, so that was earlier also in overbought region continuously. It was traveling in that particular region itself. So in short term and swing, definitely these type of stocks would be very beneficial, but for long term, okay, you need to be little cautious. If you're investing in small amounts, you can carry forward that, but investing in heavy quantities for long term, so that would be risky. So these things you need to remember. So further, if you're having any doubts related to these stocks, you can ask me in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram ID is Stocks Diary YT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.